Welcome to Casual Comfort. Today we're diving into women's natural style, that effortlessly polished, quietly luxurious way of dressing that feels like you, only slightly elevated. If you're over 50 and want outfits that look attractive without trying too hard, this guide is your go-to. Think breathable fabrics, soft structure, flattering lines, and a palette that complements your complexion. Let's build 10 outfits that are simple, chic, and endlessly wearable in 2026. The linen column long vest, tank plus wide leg trousers start with a softly tailored long linen vest, a fine rib knit tank, and matching wide leg trousers. Keep the palette tonal, stone, oatmeal, sand, so the silhouette reads elongated. Add low block heel sandals, a woven leather belt, and a delicate pendant. Why it works: the vertical lines and uniform color create length. Linen gives movement and breathability so you feel as good as you look. Tip: choose trousers with a gentle front crease and a higher rise to define the waist without squeezing. The polished denim set: dark jeans, silk shirt plus loafers. Dark, straight leg denim with a clean hem is the most versatile base. Tuck in a fluid silk button-down, soft ivory, French blue, or warm chai. Finish with sleek loafers and a structured crossbody. Roll your sleeves to the elbow, reveal a watch, and add a subtle lipstick. Natural style loves balance. The quiet sheen of silk elevates the casual grain of denim. Fit note: look for a tailored straight jean, room through the thigh, no ankle choke, and a back rise that truly fits. The light layers soft cardigan jacket plus midi dress, a compact knit cardigan jacket. No harsh lapels, just a refined edge, layered over a jersey or ponte. Midi dress is the definition of comfortable elegance. Choose a dress with a gentle A-line or soft waist seam. Avoid tight cling. Add mid-calf boots or ballet flats. Keep jewelry minimal, a signet ring and small hoops are enough. If you love prints, reach for micro prints or painterly florals that read sophisticated, not busy. The cardigan jacket provides polish without stiffness. If you're enjoying these natural, wearable ideas, hit subscribe if you haven't already, tap like, and tell me in the comments which outfit you'd wear first. Your feedback shapes the next videos. Thank you for being here. The weekend uniform Breton tee, cotton chinos. Jazz sporty mules. Natural style thrives on repeatable formulas. A classic striped tee, straight-leg chinos in a warm neutral, and sporty mules or leather sneakers will carry you everywhere from markets to museum strolls. Add a light utility jacket in sage or taupe and a canvas tote. Tuck or half-tuck the tee to show a hint of shape. Cuff the chinos once to showcase the ankle and shoes. A single silk scarf tied to your tote adds personality without fuss. The quiet evening knit set, long necklace plus slingbacks for dinners and small gatherings. Try a matching knit set, fine gauge sweater plus midi skirt, in a rich neutral like espresso, graphite, or deep olive. Add slingbacks with a low heel and a long, simple necklace to draw the eye vertically. Finish with a soft shoulder bag. This look is body kind, not bodycon. The knit schemes instead of squeezes. If you prefer extra structure, layer a cropped, collarless jacket on top to highlight the waist and balance proportions. The Better Black Combo Charcoal Blazer, ecru tee plus black trousers. Black is forever chic, but over 50, a softened approach can be more flattering. Try charcoal or ink instead of stark black near the face, and pair with ecru or cream to add light. A softly tailored charcoal blazer over a high-quality ecru tee and drapey black trousers equals instant refinement. Point toe flats lengthen the leg. A leather cuff bracelet keeps the vibe modern. The key is texture play, matte tee, slight sheen on trousers, smooth leather accessories. The modern shirt dress belted, with flat boots. Look for a shirt dress in a substantial cotton sateen or tencel blend, fabric that moves, doesn't cling, and has a soft drape. A self belt or slim leather belt defines the waist without cinching. Wear with flat knee-high boots or refined lace-ups, depending on your mood. Roll the sleeves, pop the collar a touch, and add a sculptural earring. Natural style prioritizes ease. A shirt dress gives you a full outfit in one step and layers beautifully under long coats. If these ideas sparked an outfit in your mind, don't forget to subscribe to Casual Comfort, like this video, and comment with your signature color or go-to formula. Your suggestions often become our next episode, so tell me what you want to see styled next. The Nature Palette Cashmere Crew Plus Silk Skirt. Choose colors drawn from nature: moss, terracotta, pebble gray, soft shell pink. A feather-light cashmere crew in moss with a bias-cut silk skirt in warm stone is flattering and quietly luxe. Add simple leather belt, dainty chain, and kitten heel mules. If you prefer more coverage, layer sheer matte tights in a near skin tone. The bias skirt moves beautifully and doesn't overwhelm the frame. Natural makeup, tinted balm, brushed brows completes the look. The everyday trench, knit column plus Chelsea boots. A well-cut trench in a supple, not stiff, fabric instantly sharpens a knit column, matching knit top and skirt or top and pants. Choose a mid-calf length to elongate the body and Chelsea boots with a slight platform for comfort. Keep buttons clean, belt softly knotted at the back for movement. A trench in warm beige or light khaki complements mature skin beautifully. Carry a medium tote, not oversized. Natural style favors proportionate, practical shapes. The elevated leisure hoodie, tailored coat plus wide leg pull-ons. Yes, you can wear a hoodie after 50, just upgrade the materials. A neat minimal hoodie in cotton cashmere or heavy jersey under a tailored coat looks chic with wide leg pull-on trousers and sleek trainers. Stick to a tonal story, cream on cream, gray on gray to keep it sophisticated. Add a baseball cap or beanie only if it feels like you. Otherwise, a low bun and small studs keep the face open and polished. This is School Run meets gallery opening done your way. Natural style isn't about chasing trends, it's about clarity. When your clothes align with your life, school runs, creative work, dinners with friends, you glow. Try taking a quick mirror photo of each outfit that felt right. Build a folder of keepers. Over time, you'll see your signature. The colors you repeat, the proportions that flatter, the textures that feel like home. Thank you for spending time with me today. Natural style is the art of letting your personality lead and letting your clothes follow, with softness, ease, and quiet elegance. Whether you're a linen lover, a denim devotee, or a knit set enthusiast, you now have 10 attractive, doable outfits to mix and match all year. If this helped, tap subscribe for more comfortable, confident fashion over 50, hit like to support the channel, and drop a comment sharing your favorite look. See you in the next video, where we'll keep building a wardrobe that feels beautifully, naturally you.